The CAIRE FreeStyle Comfort is a portable oxygen concentrator, or POC, that's top-rated for comfort, with an ergonomic design that hugs your body's curves. This certified pre-owned unit has been thoroughly tested to ensure the highest quality oxygen therapy. Weighing only 5 pounds, this small and lightweight POC delivers 5 settings of pulse dose oxygen, making it ideal for travelers and active people. For every pre-owned unit, our highly skilled technicians perform a 30-point inspection before certifying the unit. They inspect the gasket seals, piston cups, valves, compressors, and motor mounts, replace the filters, and clean the inside components. Prices for used pre-owned FreeStyle Comfort units can vary, depending on the number of hours on the unit, available warranty, and the unit's age. This certified used FreeStyle Comfort is about the size of a handbag. It's easy to carry with its carry bag and a padded non-slip shoulder strap. Despite its small size, this unit provides powerful medical-grade oxygen therapy with 5 pulse dose settings. The oxygen purity level remains at 87 to 96% on all flow settings. This unit also offers a long battery life, up to 8 hours with the standard 8-cell battery and up to 16 hours with the extended 16-cell battery. And it's FAA approved for traveling on commercial airlines. Be sure to check out our other videos that feature the CAIRE FreeStyle Comfort, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Our oxygen experts are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.